I mean, I engage with colleagues. I have worked with people inside in that room for many, many years. I was first elected in 1993 to that parliamentary party. I've soldiered long and hard with them. I've walked the roads with them and for them. There was a good respect for me in what I've done for the party, but also in the fact that I put my name forward and that I facilitated a strong debate within our great party to ensure that when we had a candidate selected, it was selected democratically after a robust
But did you really expect such a large vote for yourself, in all honesty?
Well, I was confident that we would get a very respectable vote because of the fact that I have, an in-depth knowledge of my colleagues. I've worked with them for many, many years. I stand for some, values that they believe in. Equally, I also stood for issues that they may not have supported, but they would have respected my beliefs at the time in the context of some very divisive social issues, which I would have had a different view to many people in that parliamentary party, but they actually respected that, and I take great comfort from that.